What's the meaning of birdseed? Birdseed. Birdseed.
Birdseed. Birdseed. Birdseed refers to the food that is used to feed birds, primarily those kept as pets or in birdhouses. Birdseed is made up of a variety of seeds and grains, such as millet, sunflower seeds, and cracked corn. It is typically sold in pet stores and farm supply stores, and can be purchased in bulk or in pre-packaged bags. Many birds are highly dependent on a steady supply of birdseed to survive, and in some cases, may refuse to eat other types of food. Birdseed can also be used to attract wild birds to backyard bird feeders, providing entertainment and enjoyment for bird watchers and nature enthusiasts alike.